You can expect a lot from the 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this two-door truck excels in its class and is equipped to provide comfort, safety, and style. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.